Okay. So, you're gonna meet my family now. This is my father, Kenzie.
No cameras, please.
Okay. This is my adopted mother, who didn't know I was adopted until a while ago. Ashley.
Yeah, I had to tell you.
Yeah.
I had to tell her that I was the one who actually gave birth to you.
Oh, yes, my father gave birth to me. Oh, shh, shh. Sorry.
Oh, no one's there.
We're watching a movie. I'm supposed to be quiet. What was that noise? What was that noise? Yeah, that was my boyfriend, Paige. That's Sisler. I don't know what she is to me.
Good angle. No, wait, they're all good.
Yeah. Okay. This is my fiance, but we're never getting married, Sisler. What'd you say, Paige? Boyfriend? Yeah. That's exactly what you said.
Peter's gonna hate.
I love how nothing's happening in this movie we're watching.
What?
Oh my god, that was so scary. What? Did someone scratch at the door?
No, they were obviously pounding at the door.
Yeah. My adopted mom always.
Really big rats. Obviously, his sister was sleepwalking or something.
Rationalizing horror movies.
Why does she always have that?
It's the rats in the ceiling.
Oh, they have an awkward attic too, just like in Paranormal Activity. Remember they go up there and find that picture? And they're like, oh, shit.
Yes, what? It's all burned.
Oh, look, they have a power outage because of the storm.
Oh yeah.
Storm.
Storms make sense.
Maybe
Anyway,
the power company's doing a test or something.
it's part of my family. Bye now.
Oh.